Wow. First time. It's a good one. Don't crush it. Wow, this is good. How long have you been doing this, Captain?
14 years.
Wow. Oh, so graduated like Marine, whatever.
No, never have to go to school.
Oh, you just like
you
drive?
have to take a course. No, you have to take a U.S. Coast Guard. You have to take a course.
Oh wow,
Yeah.
that's good.
It's about a month's course, but you gotta go every single day. And then for the schedule, you and then you also have to have over 740
Hours?
hours working on a vessel, knowing the ins and the outs of the vessel. And then if you pass the class, you submit paperwork. There's a lot of paperwork.
Okay.
And then it has to be approved by the Coast Guard and then actually qualify for the license. That's okay? Yeah, yeah. Good. Straight to the boat. Straight. There you go. Okay, with somebody.
Okay, ready?
We have an instructor, but it's a class of like
1, 2.
20 other people trying to get their license. And he just teaches you the reason, navigation, they lay out a map. Yeah, you don't have to drive now. Every boat is different when it comes to operations and knowing how to drive. But they don't teach you how to drive in the Okay guys, I gotta take back over. We don't know.
Yeah.
More animals, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen. So, out here on the west side, we keep in contact with the other boats that run tours just like we do. Usually, if they find something, they let us know, and if we find something, we let them know. So, we work as a big old family trying to find you guys some wildlife. Right now, you guys got about 4 boats out here looking at another pod or another species of literally some type of wildlife, guys. So, we're gonna pull up on them, try and see if we can spot them as well. But yeah, keep your eyes peeled. If you guys spot them before we do, again, you guys can get Captain Danny's Durango. Yes.
Yeah, very good. Sarap ng boat. Ay, dumaan siyang malapit.
Hindi yung galing.
Oh yeah, ay. O ibang kulay pala sila pag ilalim.
Nagka-hunting ata ng mga
Oo.
isda.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, so as we approach this party going on out here with these other boats, I just want to give you guys a heads up on what we're about to maybe see. So we do still have Dolphin Tour companies out here. We are not one of those. Being that they put the ban on swimming with the spinner dolphins, these vessels or these other tour companies are having to retreat to 2 miles, 3 miles off the coast in order to swim with any kind of animal. So, but like I said, all mammals are conscious breathers, guys. They never lose consciousness from birth till death. If they do, they drown. So it's important to kind of respect them in their natural habitat. So we do not put people in the water to swim with them and actively chase after them like some of these boats are doing. We just kind of take things nice and easy, get our views, and let them carry on with their day. So, but yeah, if you guys can see, we might have some things in the water that are not the dolphins. They're actually humans. Right now we're in about depth. The depth right now is about 2,400 feet of water. Okay, so 2,400 feet of water right now. Sometimes things, water conditions out here get pretty crazy and very rough for the most part. So another reason why we don't put people in the water is too much liability. Okay, guys. So yeah, but we're gonna just take things nice and easy, get a little view here, and then we'll carry on with our tour. Okay, but this is another species of dolphin we're coming up on, guys. These are spotted dolphins, also known as Kiko dolphins. Okay, they actually have spots. They kind of resemble to the spinner dolphins actually a lot, close distant cousins. The only thing different about them is their spots. But yeah, as you can see, we have a big pot of them coming up to us right now, off of our 1 o'clock. So we'll get our quick views and then we're gonna head out and see what else we can find. Okay, guys, thank you.
今奥の方に先の方に来てもらって見れるんですけど、見えてるイルカマダライルカですね。こちらハワイアンスピナードルフィンと結構似てるイルカなんですけど、違いとしては体にまだらな模様があるのが特徴です。はい、ぜひ先の方来て見てみてください。